Right folks, and welcome back. So it's Sunday today, so we did a video yesterday just of the JCB coming. Can't do anything with it because it's absolutely chucking it down from the heavens, but we're back on that Landrover 110 restoration today. We're actually working on the back tub. If anybody's done one of these, you'll know how much work is in it. We've spent a lot of hours in this back tub. I would have been better buying a new one or a second-hand better one, because this was quite corroded. It was the aluminium oxidation corrosion. So I'll turn the camera around. So I'm aware everybody will say you can buy repair panels from YRM. Everything for these are really expensive, so I did buy repair panels here off eBay. I've bonded them in. I'm waiting for the bonding to set. I've used proper Landrover pop rivets. I've replaced the Landrover bolts here with some domed bolts that I think look better. And it's pop riveted and clamped in place. Done that one. I've kind of messed up on this. I put the sealant on the wrong side. But we've got I think these are seatbelt anchor brackets. We've got these in, bought galvanised ones of them. There's two brackets there that I need to fix. I've had them shot blasted. We've made repair panels. Doesn't look the best, but it's getting under sealed and painted underneath. It'll be under sealed black. So we've made repair panels where it was rotten. We've drilled them, pop riveted them. We've used aluminium plate, 2mm aluminium plate each side, so I think that's strong enough. I think that'll pass an MOT. Bolted everything in place. Again, that could probably do with a packer, but we'll get everything lined up. Everything's bolted up. That took about 4 hours to do that this morning. And then we've started on this back quarter, so we're doing one side at a time. Doesn't look too bad, but that aluminium is really thin. It's obviously got the aluminium oxidation. They've used a lot of filler. It's totally corroded along the bottom. It's paper thin there, and I just thought for some rigidity I'm better replacing both back quarters. So we've got this apart. That's a bit bent. We're going to heat that up and straighten it. I do have an aluminium rear quarter, so I'm going to clean that up with a wire wheel. Straighten this out, put the back panel in, bolt that up. I've got new elements. So on these Defenders, these was just steel. I've bought galvanised steel ones of these. The top cappings, I think I showed before, we took off about 18 months ago, had them shot blasted, had them galvanised. They look really good now, although they're going to be painted. It's the steel that reacts with the blooming aluminium. Good idea of having aluminium because it doesn't rot, but then when you put different metals, they just react with each other. So we're going to get one quarter done, then that quarter done. Then we're going to flip her over. We're going to do the top rail. We've got a bulkhead removal bar to go in, so we'll put that in. We'll put this top rail, the galvanised rail, in, make sure we prime underneath that well and put some sort of rubber strip. Get that pop riveted down, and then we're going to be on cleaning. So we're going to get the underside done. So we're going to get the underside fully done. I do have some aluminium that I'm going to put underneath here to clean this up, cut out the rot and pop rivet it. And we're going to basically underseal the whole back tub. I do have some special paint. What on earth is it called? Gravitex Plus. So I've got a Gravitex Plus there and a special gun for it. So we'll spray all the underneath. The top, I've bought an electric spray gun that just goes on the Ryobi batteries for doing undercoat. So I'm not going to undercoat it all. And I'm going to get it set on the chassis. I'm going to get my seat box fixed. Again, I've cut all the bad out. I need to sand that. I need somebody up here sanding, really. Put the new side panels in. I've made my battery boxes, but I've got a lot of priming to do. I'm going to get the bulkhead, the back tub, get the gearbox in, get the seat base in, and try and spray this all together, masking tape everything up, and spray it as I want to. I didn't want to spray it in the winter, but I know I'm not going to get time to spray it in the summer. So I don't know what to do, whether we're spraying it Massey Ferguson Stoneleigh Grey, which is a colour I like, and we might spray it, and what we might do is, if it's not the best job, in a couple of years time we might do it in the summer and give it a good blast over with another coat of paint. It is a full restoration, but it's not, we're not going to be showing this, taking it to shows. It's literally just our vehicle. It's not tax and MOT exempt for another 5 and a bit years, so there's no desperate hurry to get it on the road. It's just a good project. It's something nice to do at a weekend to get away from work, and it's something that other people enjoy doing, people that help me. So you know, we're not doing this for profit. I'm probably losing money on it. I'm well over 10 grand on this Land Rover already, including the purchase price and the chassis. So if I sold it, I'd probably lose money, but hey ho, it's just toys. So that's about it for today. People do keep asking about the Land Rovers, so I just thought I would show everybody what we're doing, that we are back on them. I've just saved them for a winter project. You can hear it raining, you can hear what the weather's like around here, and it's going to be like this till March now. We're not going to get a reprieve from the winter. So that's it, folks.